All right, kid, here we are, the Embassy Suites by Hilton, Bowling Green, room 247. We are right next to the electrical. So we'll see if that has any impact, but so then let's take a tour. So slightly different layouts, I believe, than the last time I was here, or the last room I was in. So thought I'd give you an update. So we do have coffee here in the room. You can actually make 2 cups at once, and they give you this coffee bean rainforest blend. Looks like 3 of the regular and then 1 of the decaf. Nice. Does have a mini fridge and came with 2 bottles of water. You can see here that is, I guess, for all Hilton Honors members. And then we do have a microwave underneath here. Up top, we have a drawer, but it is empty. And then we do have a faucet with actually a detachable head. So it's kind of cool. Going into the, so we do have a desk or a table. From here, if we sit here at this, you can see the TV decent there. Speaking of TV, they only had 1 remote. So thankfully, that 1 remote does work for the bedroom and the living room. We can see on the couch, it's a sleeper sofa there. Couch itself looks pretty decent. I haven't sat on it, so let's do that. So let's sit here, and then you can see the TV looks pretty, actually looks kind of small in this video. It's a pretty good size. I don't know what size, I don't have a tape measure on me, but especially with like how close we're sitting, good size. We do have an outlet over here on this side. If we look out the window, we can see a Morgan Stanley building back over there, but a little walkway of some sorts, I guess, for the roof maintenance, what have you. We do have outlets over here, so if you brought something to plug in, like a gaming console or what have you, you could easily do that. And then getting back to the panel is pretty easy. This thing does, it's one of the good mounts where it articulates in all different types of ways. So viewing angles, access, I wish every hotel had this. But let's go on into the bedroom. So grab the remote here. So in the bedroom, we do notice here it has its own thermostat. I think it's its own. I'm going back in. Nope, it's not its own. So it's just 1 thermostat. Sorry. So 1 thermostat, but it is controlled here in the bedroom. Television, as I mentioned, 1 remote to control them both. TV's a good size again. Just wanted to show you, it does have Netflix, but you have to have a subscription. Showtime and Tubi are both free. And then these other iHeartRadio, Red Bull, and then YouTube. You can also kind of get live TV here at a glance, which is kind of neat. But yeah, that's that. It does have its own separate little, what do they call that? Little makeup counter. I can't think of what it would be called. But does have its own set of outlets. Pen and paper, but this, I was looking to see. All right, so that table looks like does not move off of there. I guess looking here now, it doesn't have its own legs. So yeah, it is attached. 2 queen beds. No outlets over on this side. 2 outlets on either side in the middle there. Reading lights. They do come with a USB-A. So if you're plugging it in that way, the reading lights do rotate a little bit. There we go. You can kind of see, but this little pillow here kind of gets in the way of really having a wide range there. But anyway, closet space. This one's kind of tricky. So what I mean by that is that the door just barely opens. So you can't stand here and open it. You have to go in, open it from the side. like over here. I don't know if you just heard that, but like it hits the bed. Some hangers, extra bedding. Does have an in-room safe, and then an ironing board. So, last but not least, let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom itself. So we do have soap and body lotion, which you see a lot of that brand at various Hilton properties. Towels underneath, looks like we got 3. Decorative tissue display, as well as over here on the toilet paper, decorative display there as well. In the shower or bathtub, whatever, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. We do see a little nick there in the bathtub. Otherwise, everything looks pretty good. Pretty good shape. Yeah, I think it's a pretty new hotel, so that doesn't surprise me. Yeah, no real complaints. Has its own bath mat. We have, there we go, hand towels and washcloths. All right. So I saw those, but thought that might be it. So there we go. 6 minutes of the Embassy Suites by Hilton, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Until next time.